Okay, alright, so we continue. We want to find out another 4 points here, which is u11, u21, u12, and u22. The rest we already calculated by using the boundary condition. So how to get these 4 points? So we will use this equation that we derive or we generate by using the what we call the numerical representation. Okay, so uij equal to ui plus 1j plus ui minus 1j plus uij plus 1 plus uij minus 1 divided by 4. So first we want to find u11. Okay, like I said, the first one represent the I, the second number represent j. So here your I is 1, your j is 1. Okay, so just substitute okay I1 j1 into this equation. So I1, so we have 2 j1 plus I1 minus 1 0 j1 plus ui1 j2 plus ui1 j0 divided by 4. Okay, so u21, u01, u12, u10. Okay, so at some of this point you already get the value. Okay, try to figure out u21. Where u21? U21 is here. So we didn't calculate it yet, so it's remain u21. How about u01? Where's u01? u01 is here. So this is your u01, so it's equal to 0. How about u12? u12 also you didn't calculate it yet, so you just write u12. How about this one, u10? Where's u10? u10 is here. So u10 is negative, okay, negative 0.111. Okay, and then this one divided by 4. So simplify. Okay, you simplify this one, you will get what? You will get u21 plus u12 minus minus 0.111 divided by 4. Okay, so you leave it first like this because we cannot complete this equation yet. I mean, you want to get these two value, but we cannot proceed that because there's only one equation. So now proceed with the second equation. Okay, I erase this one. Okay, you need to I mean, because I use this whiteboard, so I erase lah. So then after that you need to refer back that one. Okay, so now we proceed with the u21. Okay, just now it's u1, we hold it first, so now u21. So the same thing, the first number here is I, the second number represent j, so here it will be 31 plus u2 minus 1 is 1 1 plus u2 2 plus u2 0. Okay, divide by 4. Divide by 4, so u31, where's your u31? u31 is here, so it's 0. Okay, u11 is remain u11. Okay, u22 is remain u22. How about the u20? Where's your u20? u20 is here, so it's negative 0.111 divided by 4. Okay, same thing, you hold it first. Okay, you proceed with the third point. Okay, the third point here is u12. Okay, u12. Okay, so the same thing. So I here is 1, so you have 2 plus 0 2 plus u13 plus u11. Okay, divide by 4. So u22 is remain u22. u02 is 0. Okay, u02 0. Okay, u13 also 0. u11, okay, u11 is remain u11. Okay, so over 4. So u22 plus u11 over 4. Okay, that one is the third point. Okay, so the last point. Okay, the last point, u22. Okay, so you have 3 2, u12, u23 plus u21. Okay, divide by 4. So u32 is equal to 0, u12 is u12, u23 0, u21 is u21. Okay, divide by 4. Okay, so you have u12 plus u21. Okay, so they have 4 equations. Okay, they have 4 equations. So then, and then you have 4 points that you need to calculate. Okay, so equivalent lah kan. They have 4 equations. You have 4 variable. You have 4 variable that you need to find out. So you can use substitution. Okay, let this one equal to equation this one, substitute, or you can use simultaneous equation. It's up to you how you want to solve it, but you can do it. You can do it because it's a basic one. You have 4 equations, then you have 4 variables, so you can solve it. Alright? Okay, so I just write down the final answer for U11, U22, and so on. So you can check by yourself. Okay, suppose your U21 or U11 is equal to okay, for U11, U21, U12, and U22, right? Okay, so this equation will be for U11 you should get negative 0.0417. For U21 you should get same thing, negative 0.0417. For U12 you should get negative 0.0139. And also the last one, U22, you should get negative 0.0139. Okay, you can check, okay, with your answer, right? Okay, right, so this is how the step for the explicit finite difference method. Okay, let me summarize. The first step is you need to draw the graph or the grid. Okay, after you draw the graph, you need to label. Okay, you need to label. So H and K. H is the step size for X. K is the step size for Y. Alright. Okay. After you label, after you write down your U11 and so on, so whatever, we proceed to step number 2. Step number 2 is find out the point that located in the boundary. Okay. You have 4 boundary here. So by using the 4 boundary condition given, you can get all these values. Okay. 4 boundary. 4 boundary. Boundary sempadan kiri kanan atas bawah. After you get all the boundaries, so you just left with the points that in the middle, at the center. So this center, okay, before you find out the U11, U2, and so on, you need to generate, okay, or you need to derive your equation first. How to generate it? Okay, you just refer or you just using back the numerical representation that I show you and in the previous video. Okay, so then you will get this equation. So Ij is important here. Okay, so for example, you want to calculate U11 means that your I is 1, your J is 1. So what we do? Just substitute I1, J1. So you will get the equation. Okay, alright. So then you find out all the value that you left. By using simultaneous, by using substitution, so whatever. Okay, or you can also apply back what we learned in chapter 3. Chapter 2. You can use back what we had learned before in the mathematics for Gauss Seidel, Gauss elimination, and so on. You can recall back that one. Okay, alright. Okay, so we have finished our syllabus here. But okay, I will give you the hint, or not hint. It's just what we call briefing. Details what will come out in your final letter in the announcement. In ULET, okay, in ULET I will inform there. Okay, but for this topic, okay, which is the PDE chapter, I want you to more focus on the analytical approach. Okay, the analytical approach means the previous one, the previous week punya topics lah, which is the method of separation of variable. Okay, that one is I can say is contribute more marks in your final compared to numerical. But I didn't say that numerical is not come out. Numerical is come out, but maybe a little portion. Okay, but so I want you to more focus on that, the method of separation of variable. You need to know step 1, separating the variable. Step 2, solving the separated equation. Step 3, for the series solution. So you need to know all the cases 1, case 2, and case 3, and so on. Okay, make sure you understand all that one, because it will contribute more marks in your final. Alright? Okay. So thanks. Okay, thanks for all of you, because yeah, because we learn through, I mean, yeah, I know most of you will having the difficulties to understand this, all these videos, sedangkan kelas virtual, kelas face to face pun susah nak faham kan. So I hope that yeah, this is a challenge for us. Okay, hope that this pandemic will get over, and I hope that I can see you later. I maybe next year lah kan. Okay, alright. Okay, good luck.